55 boys and girls will be getting their BS Computer Science degree in this convocation. There are 55 boys and 7 girls in this group. The students of computer science are lined up, and I request the Dean, Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences to kindly present these candidates for the conferment of the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, to which I pray they be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of this university, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and charge you that ever in your life and conversation you do prove yourselves worthy of the same. I authorize you to wear the prescribed robe ordained as the insignia of the degree.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, now I present to you a list of candidates in a folder before you who are not present but who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Science in Computer Engineering, Electronic Engineering, Computer Science, as well as the candidates who have qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer, Electronic, Biomedical, Civil Engineering and Computer Science, to which I pray they be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of this university, I admit them all in absentia to the degrees to which they are entitled.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir. The degrees have been conferred, and now medals will be awarded to the students who got first, second and third positions. The medal recipients will be called one by one to come on the dais and get their medals. I will request the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor to kindly distribute medals amongst the position holders. Sania Rehan will be getting Dr. A.Q. Khan Gold Medal for securing first position in computer engineering. Her CGPA is 3.58 and she obtained 83.36%. The next to follow is Sana Wasim. Sana Wasim will receive University Medal for securing second position in computer engineering. Her percentage is 80.57 and CGPA is 3.42. Sana Wasim, second position in computer engineering. Anam Ashraf, Miss Anam Ashraf will receive University Medal for securing third position in computer engineering. Her percentage is 79.43 and CGPA 3.4. And now electronic engineering. Muhammad Tariq Salim. He will be receiving Engineer Z.A. Nizami Gold Medal for securing first position in electronic engineering. His percentage is 87.6 CGPA 3.75. Next, Mr. Noman Akhtar. He will receive University Medal for securing second position in electronic engineering. His percentage is 86.67, CGPA 3.73. And now Mr. Muhammad Muzaffaruddin. He will receive University Medal for securing third position in electronic engineering. His percentage is 85.28, CGPA 3.65. Mr. Ubaid Shakil to come on the dais and receive the first Engineer Bashir Malik Gold Medal for securing first position in telecommunication engineering. The President of Karachi Chamber of Commerce and member of our Board of Governors is awarding Gold Medal, Engineer Bashir Malik Gold Medal to Ubaid Shakil. And now Bilal Saeed, he will receive University Medal for securing second position in telecommunication engineering. This is the first batch of telecommunication engineering passing out from this university. His percentage is 85.67 and CGPA 3.68. University Medal for securing second position in telecommunication engineering. Justice Fazle Ghani Khan, Member Board of Governors, is award Mr. Muhammad Kashan Shehbaz. He will receive University Medal for securing third position in telecommunication engineering. Justice Fazle Ghani Khan, Member Board of Governors, is awarding the medal. He got 84.98%, 3.66, 3.66 CGPA. Mr. Farrukh Aleem, he will get Engineer Zakir Ali Khan Gold Medal for securing first position in biomedical engineering. 82.85% marks, 3.54 CGPA. The second position has been obtained by Amna Ghani, but she is not present here to receive her medal. Amna Ghani is not present to receive her medal for securing second position in biomedical engineering. And now Samia Kaleem, she will receive University Medal for securing third position in biomedical engineering. Her percentage is 81.38 and CGPA 3.49. And now civil engineering. Mr. Hussam bin Arshad. Mr. Hussam bin Arshad will receive Dr. A.T. Khan Gold Medal for securing first position in civil engineering. He is the best graduate of this batch. He secured highest number of marks. His percentage is 91.24. CGPA 3.86. The best graduate of this batch. Mr. Muhammad Zia Ali will receive University Medal for securing second position in civil engineering with 89.49% marks and 3.85 CGPA. Muhammad Rafiq Ahmad Alvi. He will get University Medal for securing third position in civil engineering. Percentage 89.22, CGPA 3.81. And now computer science. Mr. Minhaj Anwar. Mr. Minhaj Anwar. He will get Hassan Nasir Gold Medal for securing first position in computer science. 88.29% marks, 3.80 CGPA. Minhaj Anwar. Muhammad Arabi Tayyab. He will receive University Medal for securing second position in computer science. Percentage 86.62, CGPA 3.75. Rabia Rashid. Rabia Rashid will receive University Medal for securing third position in computer science. Her percentage is 84.51 and CGPA 3.63. And this ends the medal distribution ceremony. Thank you very much, Mr. Chancellor, Mr. Vice Chancellor, and members of the Board of Governors for awarding medals to the position holders of this batch. And now I will request the Vice Chancellor to kindly request the Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I request you to kindly declare the convocation closed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I declare the convocation closed.